Guys, this is wild. I had a full script for a long form video ready to go, and that is exactly the moment where almost every AI video workflow completely falls apart.
The writing is done, the voiceover is ready, the idea is strong. But now you need visuals for every scene, and suddenly you are generating clips in one tool, rewriting prompts in another, stitching everything somewhere else, fixing pacing, replacing bad shots, and still not ending up with a real video. So today, I'm going to be testing out Agent Opus with the actual Vortex-style project and not a default sample. The project is called AI Shapes the Future. It is a long-form explainer concept about how AI is changing creativity, business, coding, and media. The goal is simple. Can Agent Opus take my script or voiceover and give me a full visual base layer that gets the video started? That phrase matters, base layer. I'm not expecting Agent Opus to replace the creator. I still bring the idea, the voice, pacing, taste, structure, and final edits. But if it can handle the first big visual pass, that saves a ridiculous amount of time. So here's the normal workflow without it. I write the script, record the voiceover, create scene prompts, generate images or videos one by one, download everything, sort the clips, realize half of them do not match, regenerate, then edit the whole thing again into a timeline. That is not creative work anymore. That is a prompt cleanup. Agent Opus is built for the part where creators get stuck, turning a script, audio, or concept into a visual video. And that is the part that genuinely surprised me. It can generate up to 10 minutes of video, which is huge because most AI tools cannot produce long-form visuals in this style at all. That alone makes it way more useful for real long-form videos than short, random AI clips. First, the input. You can paste your script straight in, but here's the tip that actually changes your results. Upload your own voiceover instead. You can even drop in the full MP3 with voiceover and sound design, and Agent Opus uses it to match the visuals to your pacing way better than a pasted script alone. For this demo, the opening is about AI changing the future, not in a generic robot takeover way, but through the real work creators are already doing: writing, editing, coding, building products, generating visuals, and launching content faster.
Then I build the visual style. This is important because then I build a visual style and I wanted it to look really wild.
So I want a Vortex style that feels cinematic but still tech-focused. Clean futuristic environments, glowing interfaces, fast but readable pacing, dramatic camera movement, and visuals that feel like a premium AI documentary rather than random AI stock footage. The prompt instructions are where the results start becoming personal. I tell Agent Opus what the story is about, what tone I want, what should appear visually, how the camera should move, and what to avoid. For example, create a cinematic AI documentary style with sleek futuristic offices, creator workstations, abstract data cities, glowing model networks, and human-led creativity. Keep the pacing energetic but clear. Use wide establishing shots, close-ups of tools and screens, smooth transitions, and consistent visual language. Avoid messy backgrounds, cheap sci-fi cliches, random robots, and oversaturated generic AI visuals. That is the difference between letting the tool guess and actually directing it. Then Agent Opus starts creating the visual foundation. Instead of me manually building every single scene from scratch, I get a long-form visual pass that follows the script. It gives me something that I can review, cut, replace, and build on top of. And this is the strongest use case for me. Agent Opus is not the final ceiling, it's the starting point. Now for a Vortex video, I would still add talking head sections, screen recordings, product demos, captions, sound design, and maybe a few manual edits and better transitions. But the hard part is no longer a blank timeline. I already have the visual structure of the entire video. That changes the workflow. Instead of spending hours asking what should this scene even show, I can focus on improving the actual story. This is also why Agent Opus makes sense for educational videos, AI explainers, product videos, business content, and long-form animated stories. Because if your concept is strong but visuals slow you down, this gives you momentum. The key is not to be lazy with the input. If your script is weak, your results will feel weak as well. If your style prompt is generic, the video will feel generic. But if you bring a strong script, clear visual direction, and a custom style, Agent Opus can become a serious production shortcut. This is why I would not use it like a magic button. I would use it like a visual co-director. Bring your script, define the style, give detailed instructions, generate a base layer, then edit like a creator. The best result is not Agent Opus alone for every second. The best result is Agent Opus plus your own footage, your own commentary, your own pacing, and your own taste. My honest takeaway is, if you make long-form AI videos, educational explainers, documentary-style content, or product videos, Agent Opus solves the most annoying part of the process. It gets the video started. And sometimes that is the difference between an idea sitting in a notes app and an actual video getting published. So, check out my project with the link in the description down below. You can open the exact project, see the style, the prompts, and the result, perhaps use it as inspiration or even copy the style as a starting point for your own video. And it will also give you free bonus credits to start building your own.